Good evening, guys! Today we are going to have dinner. Do you like soup? I'm sure you will love this potato soup with onion and cheese. Yes! So first, you have to cut 4 potatoes. Yes? Where are my potatoes? Come here. They are here, okay? Look, 4 potatoes. First, I cut, yes, the potatoes, and they are here with water and salt. So we have to wait a little bit for our potatoes. So what we're going to do? We're going to have onions. Look, 1 sliced onion. Yes. So you have to put the onion here into a pan. Now, olive oil. Come here. Yes. And salt. Like this. Now you're going to turn it on. Here. Okay. And we have to do this. Our onion is going to be delicious. Yes? This is a special soup, a delicious soup. Yes, it's made of potato, onion, and cheese. Yes, great. This is a delicious dinner. Especially when it's a cold day, it's very good to have soup. Let's check our potato. It's almost done. Almost. Just some more minutes. It smells good. Look. Our onion is beautiful. Very beautiful. Remember our blender? Yes, we are going to use it. Yes. We are going to put the onions, the potatoes, and some water into the blender. Let's go. Okay. Guys, The onions are perfect. Look, it looks so good. It looks delicious. Yes, it's done. So let's put everything into the blender. Okay. Now let's check our potato again. Oh guys, look. It's great. It's very good now. Look. Oops. Yes. Very good. So let me do something. Let's take off this white part. Bye-bye. Okay. You have to be careful because it's really hot. So it's a good idea to wear gloves. And we are going to put our potatoes inside the blender. With some water, okay? Guys, it's going to be fantastic. It smells good. It's beautiful. There are some more potatoes here. Okay. So look, we have water, onion, salt, olive oil, and potatoes. Now, let's turn our blender on. Let me check. Look. So beautiful, guys. Come here. But there's something missing. Look. Cheese. Guys, pay attention to the magic. when we do this, the cheese melts. The soup is really hot, so the cheese melt. Look. Guys, it looks really delicious. Guys, it's delicious, but it's really hot. So I'm going to wait a little bit and then I'm going to have everything because it's really delicious. It smells so good. So guys, kisses. Bye bye.